Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. There has been certain updates relating to the Union Education Minister highlighting about the blended learning that will become the new normal in coming days. The Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal says the online mode of teaching won't vanish with this pandemic. The government would prefer a blend of online and offline mode. In an interview, he clarifies that attendance won't be mandatory for some time. Now, he said that blending learning will be normal. As far as the attendance is concerned, it is mentioned in the SOP guidelines for the health and safety protocols for reopening of schools and learning with physical and social distancing, and in UGC guidelines for reopening of university and colleges that attendance will not be enforced. Now, the Honorable Education Minister has been asked few questions by the reporters. Now, when schools and colleges to reopen and start functioning normally? Now, speaking on this line, he said that in Unlock 5, as issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs on 30th of September, gave the flexibility to state and union territory government to take a choice on the reopening of the faculties, facilities and the academic establishment from 15th of October in the non-containment zones in a graded manner. The resolution must be taken in the session with the respective faculty establishment administration based upon the evaluation of the scenario. The institute must take mandatory observation regarding the SOP concerning the well-being and the security precaution issued by the respective education department or state or union territory. Now, following this particular tips of MHA, there are few states like Goa, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Uttarakhand and Maharashtra have partially reopened their facilities and their establishment for upper schooling, whereas different states are yet to take a call. Going forward, he has been asked that will the learning be a mix of online and offline mode? Will attendance be made compulsory? Now, he said as per the tips of MHA, the state and the union territory government will take a choice on the reopening of the faculties and better schooling after session with the stakeholders. However, he said that online schooling is the right way by which they are going to move on, and thereby blended learning will be in a regular mode. As far as the attendance is concerned, and as per the SOP guidelines for the health and safety protocols for reopening of schools and colleges and learning with physical and social distancing, and in the UGC notification also for reopening of university and faculties, attendance should not be enforced, and therefore the attendance will not be compulsory for students undergoing learning from a blended mode. He has been asked, what about the courses that require laboratory work? Now, for programs that require main laboratory work, the UGC has already issued critical tips in response to which university and faculties might plan opening up campuses in phased manner. The place one can simply adhere to is the needful norms, and particularly in analyzing laboratories. He was also asked one very vital question, that are you in a favor of early vaccination for students and teachers? He said that let me guarantee you that we are collectively on this, and our authorities is relentlessly working in the direction of a particular vaccine. As far as a vaccine administration plan is concerned, we would adhere to the tips prescribed by the Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare. So there is a potential chance that early vaccination for students and teachers might get implemented. The second update is that the Union Education Minister will hold another webinar on 22nd December, and this is with respect to the CBSE 10th-12th board examination 2021. Now, amid this pandemic, a large number of students are worried about the upcoming CBSE board examination. Many still have questions about when the CBSE board examination will be conducted. Will the examination still be conducted in March? Now, normally the CBSE board release a data sheet in the month of November, but it is as of now the data sheet is yet not released. Now, regarding numerous queries from students and teachers, the Union Minister has decided to hold another webinar where he is going to address about the students and teachers' concern. Now, this is going to happen on 22nd of December 2020 via his Twitter account and Facebook page. And he is going to go live on 22nd of December at 4 p.m. to interact with you all. And we are strongly hopeful of the fact that there will be some clear guidelines and a dashboard to be announced on the December 22nd meeting. Moreover, any notification, updates and breaking news about the examination and other processes, you will get updated and genuine information from this channel. So would request you all to get involved with this channel and get updated news whenever video content is uploaded. Thank you. All the best. Take care.